Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel, and today we are hunting cars online. We're going to be trying to build the brand new, or newly redesigned, Honda HR-V. So let's get into the build here. Once I find the build button, that's going to be very important here. Here we go. Alright, let's go building. Alrighty guys, so we got three different trim levels on the HR-V. We have the LX, we have the Sport, and we have the EXL. So we're going to go ahead and start with the LX and see what options we have. Interior looks decent, maybe a little bit tight, but not too bad. Look overall inside. Not bad. Anyways, moving on, we have the two-wheel drive, 158 horsepower engine, or we have the all-wheel drive option. I think we'll go ahead and just stick with the two-wheel drive currently, unless we find an all-wheel drive option that we like. Now we have several color options in the exterior. We have the crystal black, we have the Luna silver, we have the modern steel metallic, and we have the Nordic forest pearl. It looks like it's a green, but it really looks blue. That's kind of a, it's a nice color, but it really does not look green. It looks more blue. And then also you have the platinum white pearl. Going over, let's see here. We have two different interior options when we change the colors on the interior. That's interesting. You can see that changing right there. We have the gray cloth on the interior. No, thank you. I cannot do that. Gotta go with the black cloth. That's way too bright there. Alright, so we know what we want to do there. We have wow, okay. First off, 17-inch silver painted alloy wheels. Look good. Bronze wheels though. That's cool. That's cool. I don't. Let's see here. What is it? Also need to remove. Yeah. Sure. Okay, now that looks much better. That looks much better with that color. That looks pretty good, but let's see. Is there a package changing with this? Okay, that looks pretty good though. I like that. I like that wheel. So let's see. We have the all-season protection package. Oh, details. There we go. Splash guard, all-season floor mats, cargo tray. We have the all-season protection package 2, which is all-season floor mats, cargo tray, and chrome wheel locks. We have the HPD package, lower trim front, lower trim rear, side lower trim, HPD decal, and HPD emblem. Oh, I see it right about. I'll get back here, right about there. But you can see the exterior. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. I'm not sure what HPD stands for, but that's interesting. We also have the protection package here, which is splash guard set, cargo tray, and wheel locks. And we also have the rugged package, which is fender flares. Ooh. Grill trim and lower door trim. Oh, that's interesting. So you can get that with both of these right here. Nice. Look at that. So difference. That looks nice. I like that. Okay, let me see here. Let's go back to the design. Let's switch the colors so we can. There we go. That changes it up just a little bit. Let me see. There we go. Nice. I still don't know what HPD stands for. I'm guessing performance development or something like that, maybe? Honda performance development? I'm not sure. Or department. That's probably what it is. Honda performance department, I'm guessing. I don't know. But that looks nice. I like that. Back to the packages. That looks good. Accessories. We have bike attachment. Nice. Body side molding. We already got that. Door edge guards. Door visors. Yes, we'll take that. Those are nice to have. Oh, look at this. They actually add those. They pop up there. Nice, okay. HPD emblem on the back, already have that. Emblems, we can switch out to the blackout. Nice. It actually, and all of these options so far have actually switched on the car that you're looking at, so that's cool. Nicer than some of the other trims where they don't actually show you what changes. That's a lot of detail. Nice job, Honda. Kayak attachment, roof basket attachment, roof rack, splash guards. Can we add that? Nope, we cannot add that because that will cancel out something. We can also get our Honda tent. I don't think we need that, but that's pretty cool nonetheless. Valve stems, wheel locks, wheel lug nuts black. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Looks like we have a next here. Oh, interior. Oh, okay. There it is. Duh, I wasn't looking at that. Why do we have the interior the way it is? Oh, never mind. Right now. All-season floor mats, door sill protection. Yes, please add that on. Rear passenger window shades, seat back protectors. Yes, that's nice to have. Cargo tray, I think we're good on that. Electronic engine block heater, and that's all that's on there. Let me switch up the color here. Okay, there we go. And then, oh, I forgot, we can't have a nice black cloth. That looks good. It's a mean looking vehicle there. Definitely trying to go after Subaru a bit. It looks good. So, then switch back over here and then switch over to the... Oh, this will... But, yeah, where you'd switch over to all-wheel drive, and that would make it look really, really good. So, $28,042 there. Not a bad price, honestly. That's pretty decent for SUV of that look. Now, obviously, you're going to add 1,500 more. So, you're going to be at about 30,000 when you add the all-wheel drive. So, not bad. Looks good, though. Alright, let's go ahead and go... back here. Trim, there we go. Yes, I'd like to change my trim, please. We'll look at the Sport. So nice color off the bat. So with the Sport, we'll go ahead and just add the all-wheel drive option. We also obviously have the Milano Red, about the same colors. Urban Gray Pearl. That's one of the other colors in there. We'll go with the red. Black cloth. 18-inch gloss black wheels, that comes standard. You can also have the HPD package, the rugged package. Yeah, it looks so good. Protection package, splash guards. That cancels out that. Very good. That also canceled that out. We can go with the 2 option though, which gives us the all-season floor mats, cargo tray, and black wheel lock. So that changes that, so you can get your floor mats there already added in the package. Probably about the same. Yep, probably about the same add-ons as last time here. You can also add the Sport logo there. Nice. Kayak attachment. So basically all the same stuff that I'd want. Ooh, tailgate spoiler. That's already included in there. That's nice. Excuse me. Let me up. Hey. Okay, fine. There we go. It's stuck. There we go. Now we got it. All season floor mats. Yep. Door sills. Yep. Seat back protectors. That's nice. Especially when you're loading things into the back. That's nice to have overall. So there we go. So that is the Sport with the all-wheel drive. A bit of a different package. You get the gloss black wheels. Take a look at it here. But that's going to put you at about... See what the interior looks like. Okay, interior looks a little bit different. A little bit different on the seats. Not a whole lot, but a little bit changed to give you a little bit more color to it. That's nice. But that's going to put you at 30,500, basically 31,000, just round up. And that's the price on that. Not bad. Looks pretty good. So let's go back, change trim, and we'll look at the final trim option here. The EXL. Alright, so we'll just stick with the regular 2-wheel drive right now. Same color options. Obviously, you get all of them added on there. We'll go with that. Oh, we get the option of the leather. We'll obviously go with the black. That looks nice. Let's see here. That looks really good. Yeah, it's, whatever it is, the colors that this has on it, I'm just not digging these wheels very much. I think that if they were two-tone like this right here, I would like them because they would have like the black on the edge here, and I think that would work. It just, I don't know, for whatever reason, it just, yeah, sorry, I can't do it. For some reason, it just doesn't look good. Alrighty, we can go ahead and just add the HPD, add the Season 2 regular. Looks really good that way. I like how it looks. Obviously, same options that we would do here. The visor, lower trim, moonroof, etc. So all that's already in there. Interior, seat back protectors, door sills. Just add that in there. And electronic, engine heater, don't really need that. But it looks good. It's a very nice looking vehicle here. We'll go and look at it again. But it looks nice. I like it. So anyways, that puts you at $32,490. So obviously there's a lot more options here. Definitely trying to go after Subaru with this option. We can obviously add the all-wheel drive on there as well. Same engine setup, just all-wheel drive capability. It looks good. I like it. Definitely a little bit Fordish in its styling though. Looks a little bit too Fordish there, but definitely trying to go with the options, trying to go after like the wilderness options from Subaru, but it looks good. I like it. So anyways, guys, make sure you guys check it out because this is definitely a pretty cool vehicle, and overall with the options price wise fairly decent. So anyways, check it out, let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys here next time on The Combustion Guys. Bye bye.